Good morning, friends, and welcome to another day of pre-K. Before we begin, we need to start with our hello song. So if you're ready, start patting your legs. It's time to start our day. It's time to start our day. It's time to give a great big cheer. It's time to start our day. All right, friends, so we are still in the month of September, but we are getting a lot closer to finishing our number line, which means we will get to switch to a new month soon. But while we're still in September, let's figure out what day of the week it is. So yesterday was Wednesday, which starts with our W. So Wednesday was yesterday, but what day is today? So let's sing our Days of the Week song to see if we can figure it out. And remember, we gotta do some little bit of snapping in there, okay? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, I'm gonna sing it one more time and I'm gonna stop on Wednesday. Let's see if you guys can figure out what day comes next. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. What day comes next? Thursday. Today is Thursday. And you'll notice Thursday starts with a T, just like Tuesday, but we don't say Thursday, we say Thursday. That's because right next to our T is our letter H. So when you see a T and an H together, we go just like that. So today is Thursday. I'm gonna put it up on our wall and then we need to figure out what number we're on. Okay, friends, so now that we need to figure out, so since we now know it is September, the month of September, and the day of the week is Thursday, we need to figure out our number. So that means we have to do a little bit of counting. Are you ready to count with me? Remember, we always start with our number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. What day comes next? So remember, our 20 numbers, our numbers in the 20s, they start with a 2, and then we look at the number that comes next to it, that comes after the 2. So this number is 23. What number would come after 23? So up here where we have our single lonely digits, after our number 3, so this is our 3, the next number on our number line is the number 4. So first it goes 3, then it goes 4. So what do you think would come after 23? 24. And this is our number 24. So we have our 2, and then we have our 4. So today is Thursday, September 24, or 24th. But again, since you guys are still just learning these numbers, we're gonna stick with 24. All right, I'm gonna put our numbers back up on our wall, and then we need to take a look outside at the weather. Okay, friends, so you might notice that the weather is a little bit different today than it was yesterday. When you look up in the sky today, you might see a lot of clouds floating around because the weatherman is calling for a cloudy day. So we're gonna put our cloud up on our weather chart, but remember, we always want to keep an eye on the sky because the weather can always change. Okay, friends, so I have some fun name activities for you guys today because we are going to start talking about our names and the letters that you see in them. So everybody has one of these sheets in their learning packet, and at the top it says my name. And this little spot right here is where you are going to write your name. And it's okay if you don't know how to write your name yet. I just want to see you do your best job. Do the best job that you can do writing your name. And then, and you can use the little name card that came in your packet, you are going to count the number of letters in your name. And you're gonna have, you can even put a tally mark for each of the letters that are in your name. Just like we learned about tally marks yesterday, you can use a tally mark for each of your letters. Or if you want, you can have a grown-up help you write the number. And then at the very bottom, any letter that you see down here that you also see in your name, you can either put a circle around it or you can color it in. Okay, friends, another activity, a name. Okay. Another name activity I have for you is your book all about your name. And everybody has one of these in their learning packet as well. Mine says Ms.K, but I also have another one that I'm going to make that says my full first name, which is Katrina. And if you go through it, you're going to see a bunch of different pages that you can fill in with your adults or your grown-ups at home. So the first one, you can draw a picture of yourself, and it says, this is me, my name is, and for me it says Ms.K. We have one that says, I can say the letters in my name, and every time you point to a letter, you're going to say what the letter is. So for me, it's M, S, and then a K. For this one, again, you're going to circle all the letters that you see in your name. So if you see it up here, you're going to circle it down here. And up at the top, we have our uppercase, our capital letters, and at the bottom, we have our lowercase, our little letters. This one's one of my favorites. I can rainbow write my name, meaning you can do a different color for each letter as you fill it in. Then we have our tracing page where you can follow the lines. You can use a pencil or a crayon or a marker, and you're going to follow the lines to trace your name. We have this one. We're going to be talking a lot about this one on Friday. Our letters are different sizes. Letters make different shapes. And then here's one where it has those boxes, but they're empty. No letters are inside. So this is where you can actually fill in the boxes. This page is I can make my name in fun ways. And you'll notice that my letters have little feet on them. So you have some empty spaces on the sides that you guys can even write the letters in your name and make them a little silly. You can make your letters into a pattern, so you can color each pencil a different color. So you could do red, blue, or you could do orange, yellow. What kind of pattern can you make with your name? Then there's a spot where you can practice writing your name all by yourself. Again, it's okay if you still don't know how to do it yet. That is something we are going to learn all about this year, okay? And our last page, it says, I love my name, because your name is part of what makes you, you. Friends, I hope you have a great day today. Don't forget that you can post pictures or videos on Class Tag to share with us what you have been learning and doing at home with your families. I hope you get some time outside today. Even if it is a little cloudy, it's still supposed to be nice and warm. And I will talk to you later. Bye.